Welcome to Smart Learning Foreign Language. Subscribe, like, share, and learn smart with us. Bonjour à tous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to your favorite channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. If you're a beginner or a school student learning French, you're in the right place. Today, we're learning a very useful French verb, Ramasser, which means to pick up or to collect in English. Let's break it down in a super easy way so you can use it with confidence. First, let's understand the basic meaning. Ramasser means to pick up or to collect. Example in English. I pick up the books from the floor. In French, je ramasse les livres par terre. Easy, right? Let's learn more forms. Let's learn how to say it with different subjects. Je ramasse, I pick up. Tu ramasses, you pick up. Informal, il, elle ramasse, he, she picks up. Nous ramassons, we pick up. Vous ramassez, you pick up. Formal, plural. Il, elle ramassent, they pick up. Try repeating with me. Let's use ramasser in real-life situations. Je ramasse les jouets. I pick up the toys. Tu ramasses les papiers? Are you picking up the papers? Il ramasse les déchets dans le parc. He is collecting the trash in the park. Nous ramassons des coquillages à la plage. We are collecting seashells at the beach. Vous ramassez les feuilles mortes. You are picking up the dead leaves. Les enfants ramassent leurs affaires. The children are picking up their things. See? You can use ramasser every day, at school, at home, or anywhere. Let's practice. Fill in the blanc les livres, s'il te plaît. Hint. Say pick up the books, please. That's right. The answer is ramasse les livres, s'il te plaît. If you like today's lesson and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language. Like and share this video with your friends and classmates. Check the description below for the best collection of French learning books, great French-English dictionaries, and the best French communicative course, plus a specially designed self-guidance, e-guide for CBSE and ICSE school students. Contact details are also in the description if you have any questions or want to get your copies at huge discounted prices. Merci beaucoup. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, with Smart Learning Foreign Language, French is fun and easy. Au revoir et à bientôt.